Hi everyone, welcome back to DelfStack Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Google Maps history. First, open Google Maps on your desktop or mobile device. Once it opens, you'll see the sidebar menu. Click on the menu and scroll down. Select Search Settings. After clicking it, the Google Maps activity area will open. Here you'll see the option for search history saving. You can also find the option to automatically delete history. Tap on it to set a time range. Choose how many days or months you want to keep. After setting this, older history will be deleted automatically. If you scroll down, you'll see your recent activity. To delete an entry manually, tap the cross icon next to it. This will permanently remove it from your history. That's how you can delete your Google Maps history. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more easy tech tutorials.